Only since around 2005 did the door open for serious study of the subconscious mind. Up until then, it lived on the fringes. For instance, emotional intelligence, a 1980s creation, doesn't even address it at all. Yet advances in technology and research methodologies have shown the subconscious alive and well. As one New York Times article put it, new studies reveal a subconscious brain that is far more active, purposeful, and independent than previously known. It's time for business training to open its doors to it too. Otherwise, it will remain engaging less than half of our brains. To see how such training might work and how others might be influencing you subconsciously, go to my post, First 2 Steps Toward Influencing the Subconscious Mind of Others.